Hi guys, I'm Mario and today we're going to talk about how to transfer your Canva design to another Canva. It's fast and easy, so let's get started. First, we need to open two browsers or at least two tabs with two different accounts. For example, this is the first account and this is the second. Here, I made some changes on the design and now I want to share this template. So what I'm going to do is tap share at the top right. Here, choose anyone with the link. Here select he can view, edit or whatever. And then tap on template link. Copy this link. Open the next tab and just paste the link. Here select use template.